Project managers are supposed to plan the project work before they do them. Project planning reduces uncertainty, risk, and confusion among stakeholders. It guides the project manager to make informed decisions. It helps the team to coordinate and control project performance. It makes the organization capable of coping with a changing environment and facing challenges. Remember, planning can minimize the risks associated with a project, but cannot fully eliminate the risk. Hi, my name is Vijay and I am the founder of ProjectsMind.com, and today we would learn about the 11 steps of project planning. And if you are new to our channel, then subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. So, depending on the type of project and its complexity, there can be different approaches to plan a project. However, project planning requires an in-depth step-by-step analysis of project activities. There are 11 steps that should be performed in the set order to come up with an effective plan. The first step is to perform overall management planning. This step is to determine how you will plan and integrate each work area of the project. The next step is to plan the project scope. In this step, detailed requirements are determined, and the project scope of work is created. This leads to the creation of the WBS and WBS directory. Then planning for the project schedule is performed. During this step, the planning team is determined. Project activities are defined and sequenced. Based on this sequence of activities, the required resource for each activity is estimated, and then activity durations are estimated. This leads to the determination of the critical path, and the project schedule is developed. Schedule development is usually done in schedule management software like Primavera P6 or MS Project. Once the project scope and schedule are planned, the cost of each activity is estimated, and budget requirements are determined. After that, quality planning is performed. This step determines the quality standard process and matrix. A process improvement plan is developed to continuously monitor work quality. Then all roles and responsibilities of team members are defined. This step indicates who will do what work, at which time. Then project communication plan and stakeholder engagement methods are developed. Once the planning of scope, time, cost, quality, HR, and communication is completed, the team moves to plan the remaining uncertain items, which are mainly project risks. First, risks are identified and then qualitative and quantitative risk analysis is performed. Based on the output, a risk response plan is developed. Then repeat the above 8 steps based on the feedback of the team's members and function owner. The purposes of these iterations are to optimize the plan and synchronize the expectation with stakeholders. Once the iterations are done, and the plan is optimized, the next step for the team is to assess what to purchase, and create procurement documents. In the second last step, project control activities are planned. This step is to finalize how to execute and control different parts of the project plan. Here the team ensures to develop a realistic project management plan and performance measurement baseline. Also, in this step, formal approval of the plan is taken. Finally, conduct a kickoff meeting with relevant stakeholders and ensure that all project team members are on the same page with respect to project goals, scope, budget, timeline, and everything in between. With these sets of planning steps, the team ensures that all the necessary component of projects is well thought in advance. And now you know how to develop a perfect project plan in 11 steps. If you'd like to know more about project planning, visit us at ProjectsMind.com. At ProjectsMind.com, we support project people and all the amazing work they do every day. Our objective is to provide access to world-class project management education for anyone, anywhere in the world for free. The concepts you will learn are applicable to all projects, from Fortune 500 firms to all the way to your own home. And don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. See you later, and bye for now.